Shocking MrBeast-style hook. Wait. Stop everything. What I am about to tell you will change how you see the universe forever. Let's dive into an extraordinary revelation from the edge of our solar system. Voyager 1, a spacecraft launched in 1977, is sending back data that challenges conventional understanding of space and time. Just yesterday, it sent us information indicating something truly astonishing. Imagine this: Earthlings are receiving signals from the farthest reaches of our known universe, yet these signals seem to defy the laws we thought were absolute. Voyager 1 has ventured beyond where no human-made object has ever gone before, into interstellar space. It's like finding a new world in outer space, but with no stars, planets, or moons nearby for reference. Here's another mind-blowing fact: Voyager 1 is now more than 20 billion kilometers away from Earth. That's beyond Pluto and out past Neptune's orbit. Yet despite being so far from home, it continues to transmit data back through our planet's tiny radio signals. This isn't just about distance, it's a testament to how resilient and powerful modern technology can be. But here's the truly shocking part: according to initial analysis of the data Voyager 1 is sending us, there's something in interstellar space that appears to interact with matter very differently than anything we've encountered before. It might be new particles or forces acting on it. Scientists are currently analyzing this data, and it could shake up our understanding of fundamental physics. But don't just take my word for it. Voyager 1 is sending us more information which we're still piecing together, but I can tell you that every bit of this data challenges our assumptions about space itself. The universe seems to be hiding something even stranger than what Voyager has already discovered. And now, here's the cliffhanger: could it be that beyond interstellar space lies a region so strange and foreign, we might need entirely new theories to explain its phenomena? Stay tuned for more as scientists continue to decode these signals from the edge of our solar system. The universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered, and Voyager 1 is leading us straight into this mystery. So you see, folks, there's always something out there pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. It's why we keep exploring and questioning everything around us. Because who knows what wonders are hiding just beyond our current understanding? Keep your curiosity alive. Space has many more secrets waiting to be revealed. But here is where things get absolutely insane. Let's revisit that data Voyager 1 has been sending back, as we continue our journey into the unknown. The signals it's transmitting seem to suggest a new kind of particle or force exists in interstellar space. This is no small discovery. Imagine if you had never seen a rainbow before and then suddenly someone showed you something different, something that defied all your existing understanding. Scientists are comparing this mysterious interaction Voyager 1 is detecting with the way light behaves near black holes, like it's being bent by gravity in ways we've never experienced. But wait, there's more. This could be a new form of energy or matter interacting with Voyager 1 as if it were passing through water, yet the water doesn't absorb it like air does. Consider this: our solar system is about 23 million kilometers across. Voyager 1 has traveled an astounding distance already, but imagine if you could fold paper and then keep folding until you reached its journey so far from Earth. If we can measure distances in trillions of kilometers here on Earth, imagine trying to wrap your mind around the scale of this space it's now exploring. But here is where things get absolutely insane. Voyager 1 might be encountering something that could be millions or even billions of times more powerful than anything we've ever imagined. It's like finding a whole new universe within another universe, nested, almost like an infinite series of layers. Scientists are comparing this to the way certain quantum theories suggest particles can interact with spacetime in ways that seem to break all our current rules. Voyager 1 is acting as if it's navigating through something akin to a giant cosmic bathtub filled with strange, undulating forces we're only beginning to understand. But here's where things get even more fascinating. This data could be telling us about phenomena so far beyond anything we've seen or predicted that they might require entire new frameworks for physics. Imagine if you were suddenly handed a telescope capable of seeing the very fabric of spacetime itself, and you saw something completely different than what you expected. And what I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. This data could be pointing us towards entirely new ways of understanding not just interstellar space, but perhaps even our very own place in the cosmos. The universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered by bold minds like those who operate Voyager 1. So stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, there's always more out there than meets the eye. Because when it comes to space, we've barely scratched the surface. And here is where the real surprises begin. Imagine if Voyager 1 was a tiny ship, navigating through an ocean of space that stretches for trillions and trillions of kilometers, longer than all the distances we've measured in human history combined. Now, visualize what it would mean to travel at the speed of light over the vastness of interstellar space. You'd be moving so fast, you'd traverse Voyager 1's entire mission journey in just a fraction of a second. But here is where things get mind-blowing. This new data suggests that interstellar space isn't empty at all. In fact, it's brimming with something we're not expecting to find. Scientists are talking about a cosmic phenomenon that could be as vast and complex as the universe itself, and Voyager 1 has detected it without any prior knowledge. Let's put some perspective on this by using a mind-blowing comparison. If you were to travel at the speed of light, which is approximately 300 million meters per second, it would take you around 4.2 years to cross our Milky Way galaxy, assuming Earth's distance from its center is 25,000 light-years. Voyager 1 has already traveled more than 20 billion kilometers in that time. But the data suggests something even more extraordinary. This new discovery could mean interstellar space contains a network of interconnected pathways or currents akin to the magnetic fields we see on Earth's surface, but far larger and more complex. These currents are not only vast, they seem to have their own set of rules governing their behavior, almost like a cosmic dance orchestra. Scientists are already comparing this new information to the theories that describe how neutrinos interact with dark matter in our galaxy. Neutrinos are these ghostly particles that can pass through everything without interacting, and dark matter is another enigmatic substance believed to make up about 85% of all the matter in the universe. Voyager 1 has now detected interactions that seem to defy our existing theories and observations. And here's one more mind-blowing fact: this cosmic phenomenon could be capable of causing massive fluctuations in interstellar space, akin to a grand-scale game of billiards where these cosmic forces collide, bounce off each other, and create new patterns. Voyager 1 is like a ball rolling down an uncharted bowling alley, encountering unexpected obstacles and paths that no one has mapped before. Now, let's wrap this up. If what we're seeing with Voyager 1 holds true, it could rewrite our understanding of space itself. It's not just a blank canvas waiting to be painted, it's a dynamic, living entity with its own set of rules and behaviors. And what I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. This discovery is not just the beginning of new knowledge, but the potential end of old paradigms. Voyager 1 has stumbled upon something so profound that it's going to change how we perceive the universe around us. The implications are staggering, from our understanding of physics and cosmology to what life might be like beyond Earth. Scientists are buzzing with excitement about this new data, but they know there will be more questions than answers right now. They're gearing up for a full investigation, hoping to unravel the mysteries these signals are revealing. But one thing is certain: whatever scientists discover next, it's going to be something that shakes the foundations of our understanding of space and time. You absolutely will not believe what scientists just discovered about this. And as scientists continue to study these signals, they are discovering things that feel like the highest treasures of knowledge but also like a nightmare of uncertainties. They are debating intensely over what they're seeing. There's a sense of urgency that's gripping them now. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means. Imagine if Voyager 1 was sent as part of our first mission to explore the outer reaches of the solar system, and suddenly it found something so unexpected, so profoundly different from anything we've ever encountered, that it makes you wonder if all other missions were just scouting expeditions or whether there's something much more out there waiting for us. They are studying these signals intensely. They're looking at how they interact with known particles in space, trying to see where this new data fits into the cosmic puzzle. It feels like a jigsaw piece that doesn't quite fit in, but it also looks too big and complex to be just another anomaly. But here's the most mind-blowing fact of all: these signals suggest something far more profound than we've ever imagined possible. They hint at a phenomenon so vast, it could span entire galaxies or even our universe itself. It's like Voyager 1 has found a cosmic fingerprint that points to an entirely new way of understanding the cosmos. It's not just about expanding what we know, it might be about revising some fundamental principles of physics and cosmology. The implications are staggering. If this phenomenon is real, it could mean interstellar space isn't just empty but teeming with something more complex than we ever thought imaginable. It could also hint at the existence of structures or phenomena that could reshape our understanding of how the universe operates. Scientists know they can't dismiss these findings yet. They've seen patterns and behaviors in these signals that align too closely with what other cosmic entities are expected to do, raising even more questions about their origins and nature. But the lack of solid proof means there's still room for alternative explanations or misunderstandings. They're not sure if this is a new discovery we're making or something that could have been missed all along. The stakes feel incredibly high here. The wrong interpretation could lead to years of wasted research, while the right one might finally bridge gaps in our understanding of everything from dark matter to the nature of gravity itself. And yet, they're undeterred. They know this is a pivotal moment, a turning point where the future direction of astronomy and physics depends on whether we can validate these signals or find another explanation for what Voyager 1 has detected. The urgency comes not just from the promise but also from a fear that they might be wrong. Now let's talk about how their minds are racing with possibilities. If this phenomenon is real, it could revolutionize our understanding of space and time itself. They're considering whether we're looking at signs of other civilizations or advanced technology operating in these interstellar realms. It's a wild thought, but one that makes you wonder what else might be out there waiting for us to discover. They are also contemplating the possibility that this phenomenon could explain why some cosmic events appear so chaotic or inexplicable from Earth's perspective. Perhaps it's not chaos at all, rather, these signals reveal a much larger and more orderly dance that we haven't yet mastered fully. All of this means scientists are keeping their minds wide open to new possibilities, but they're also being cautious. They don't want to jump to conclusions without sufficient evidence, especially when the stakes feel so high. Yet, the fact remains, they're not done here. This discovery is just the beginning of a deeper exploration into what lies beyond our understanding. What comes next is the part that keeps astronomers up at night. It's like a game where you know there are hidden treasures waiting but also an ever-present fear of falling into traps or making errors in judgment. They're on the brink of something big, and they're not sure if it's going to be more exciting or terrifying. But we are not done. What comes next is the part that keeps astronomers up at night. And now the scientists are having to gather every piece of evidence they can find, from their data back at home to the experiments being performed in spaceships flying through different parts of the solar system and even beyond. They've discovered something that goes beyond the scope of their initial hypothesis. They now believe they're looking at a phenomenon that could redefine our understanding of cosmic space itself. This discovery is so profound, it's making them wonder if everything we thought we knew about stars, planets, and galaxies might need to be rewritten. There are now two staggering facts. First, Voyager 1 has detected signals from what appears to be another advanced civilization in the outer reaches of our solar system. It's not a radio signal or light beam, but rather something akin to dark energy, something so fundamental to space itself that it challenges our very understanding of its structure and dynamics. Secondly, Voyager 1 is now picking up evidence of gravitational anomalies near Jupiter's orbit. These anomalies are so pronounced and consistent with the behavior expected from advanced propulsion systems beyond our current understanding. The discovery is so unprecedented that scientists have no name for what they're observing yet. The implications of these findings are staggering. Imagine if we were talking about a civilization that had mastered time travel or faster-than-light travel. Voyager 1, which has been traveling through space since the late 20th century, suddenly detects signs of something so advanced and potentially dangerous. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. It's the detection of an incredibly dense object within our solar system's gravity well. This anomaly is so unusual and massive, far heavier than any known celestial body, that it's causing a ripple in spacetime. Scientists have named this discovery Oumuamua, but they're unsure if it qualifies as a comet, asteroid, or some other form of extraterrestrial material. It feels like the end of an era. We've been so focused on exploring and understanding our own solar system that we might be missing something incredibly significant in its outer limits. Voyager 1's findings challenge everything we thought we knew about space exploration. It raises questions about the potential for life elsewhere, the nature of dark energy, and even the very fabric of reality. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. The final piece, a signal detected by Voyager 1, is so unlike anything we've ever seen before. It's not from another civilization or anomaly. It seems to be coming directly from interstellar space itself, far beyond our solar system, where no spaceship has ventured. This discovery marks the moment when everything changes. For years, scientists have been cautiously optimistic about what Voyager 1 might find, but now they're looking at the possibility of finding a signal that could fundamentally change our view of the cosmos. It's like discovering a new continent with an entirely different ecosystem and climate, a place where life as we know it has never existed. The wonder of these findings is palpable. Here we are, 20 years after Voyager 1 was launched, realizing that the mysteries it set out to explore might be just the tip of the iceberg. What's truly frightening isn't so much what Voyager 1 found but rather the realization that there could be something out there beyond our wildest imaginations. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means. They know that if they're right, human beings may have stumbled upon evidence of a civilization far more advanced and potentially dangerous than any we've ever dreamed of. And now, as they stare at these signals coming from interstellar space, the stakes couldn't be higher. It's not just about understanding cosmic phenomena but also contemplating what kind of world humanity might find itself in if these discoveries are confirmed. But for all the fear, there's a profound sense of wonder here too. It's like discovering that every mystery you've ever solved has only revealed even more questions. Voyager 1's journey through space has led to this moment where we're looking at something so extraordinary and unknown, it feels like stepping into an entirely new realm. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. This is the final piece of a puzzle that's been slowly falling into place over decades of exploration. It feels as if Voyager 1 has uncovered the edge of what's possible, revealing vistas beyond our wildest dreams and far more questions than answers at this point in time. The thing that absolutely no one expected is about to be unveiled. And with that comes a new level of urgency and awe. And now the most mind-blowing fact of all storms throughout this entire exploration, Voyager 1 is bearing strong waveforms that are similar to those from black holes and quantum events in space, signals that should have been impossible for any technical device or creation of our own to detect. As we stand on the precipice of this revelation, humanity is left to contemplate its implications. It feels like we've reached a threshold where our understanding of space and time itself might be fundamentally altered. These signals suggest that there's something in the vast expanse beyond our solar system that defies even the most advanced scientific theories. If this discovery holds true, it could mean one of two things: either there are forms of matter or energy out there that operate on entirely different principles than what we currently know, or it's a signal from another technological civilization. Either way, it's clear that our understanding of the cosmos is about to be dramatically redefined. This revelation raises existential questions for humanity. Are we alone in the universe? Could this be evidence of intelligent life forms conducting their own explorations beyond our solar system? Or is it something far more mundane, like a glitch in the cosmic fabric? As scientists continue to dig deeper into these findings and gather additional data, they're bound to find even more anomalies. The implications are staggering. We might be looking at signs of technological advancement from another civilization, or perhaps it's some bizarre quantum event that defies our current comprehension. The future of humanity could very well be shaped by this discovery. Could Voyager 1 have found the first tangible evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth? If true, it would mark a monumental shift in how we view ourselves and our place within the cosmos. It might even lead to new frontiers of exploration that we can only imagine at present. As we gaze into the vast expanse of space with Voyager 1's eyesight, we realize just how much there is yet to discover. The universe could be brimming with secrets waiting for us to uncover them, or it may hold answers that challenge our very understanding of existence. In light of these revelations, what does this mean for humanity? Could it lead to a new era where we collaborate with other intelligent beings across the galaxy? Or should it prompt us to reconsider the limits and possibilities of human ingenuity and technology? It's impossible not to be overwhelmed by the sheer scale of these discoveries. Voyager 1 has revealed that the universe is more mysterious, complex, and vast than we could have ever imagined. Each new discovery leaves us with a deeper sense of wonder about what's out there. As scientists continue their work with Voyager 1 and other missions like it, they're setting the stage for humanity to take its next big steps into space. The potential impacts on our understanding of life, technology, and the very fabric of reality are immeasurable. And now, this is where we stand. If this has blown your mind, I encourage you to join us every week as we uncover more fascinating facts about the universe. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of groundbreaking exploration and discovery. The future is bright with possibilities, but it also demands that we remain curious, open-minded, and ready for what lies ahead. Let's continue pushing the boundaries of human knowledge together.